Okay, we're number 4 here. So what we want to do is now fill in these functions. So we've got most of them. Let's scoot it down a little, and you can see we've got most of the answers up here if we want to copy paste. So let's say what all we want to do in setup, we hit the return and we've got the 4 spaces. So we just need to set the speed, which is g.setSpeed. Set underscore speed. And the only thing is we want to set that speed to, let's say, 300. That's called the normal speed. And the next one is we want to go to the forward one, which is pretty trivial. Here's G forward. Why don't we just grab it up here? Control C, come back here, go forward, click right here. You know, and after a while you get pretty good at this sort of thing. So, and we can keep the pass because the pass is irrelevant to the computer. It ignores it. Now our next thing is flashlights. Okay, we're going to do this in a little bit different manner. We have to set up a loop, and the loop we'll use is a for loop, FOR, and you have to make up a counter, and I'll just use the letter I. Use I, J, and K all the time, and you do it in range, RANGE, and we're going to make it go 4 times, and you do it in range 3 because all the ranges start with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, so that's 4 things. Okay, and you need a colon there, and then it will then insert this. And what I want to do is to type, I don't have this one up here, I'll eventually put it in. I'll keep adding things into this template here, but this is g.openeyes, OPEN underscore EYES, and then we sleep, SLEEP, and we'll sleep 0.2 of a second, 0.2. And then we do it again, only this time we're closing, G-top, close, YES. Only I have EU, and that will not work. This has to be a Y. So if you try to run, the system will pick that up for you, which is nice. Now, if you just leave it there, this won't work, because what will happen is it'll open the eyes, then the lights will come on, it will sleep for just 0.2 of a second, then it will close them, but it'll immediately put them back on. So you have to have this sleep character at the end. Here you go. In both cases. Common type of thing. The only thing is it didn't go over right. These have to be exactly 4 spaces. Okay, so we have the flashlights. Now what's next? Backup. Okay, well that's pretty easy. We just flip in and go G backward. We could have copied it from up there. Now we need to sleep. Remember, sleep just stops the code. It doesn't affect the robot. So we've gone backwards. We move. That means actually go backward for 1 second. Then we stop. And you can play around with these things. You don't have to do it exactly like I do. And we have one more, the random turn. Now this one's a little strange. So I'm going to grab the strange. That's not a good word anyway here. We'll start up here, and I'm going to copy. Oh, come on, here we go. Sorry. Copy just this part. And I'll Control C. But what I want is down here is random turn, is we have to invoke the turn method. G.turn, T-U-R-N, and it's got to be in degrees. Now, what we do is we put in parentheses what we just copied. And now what we'll have is, instead of A1, we'll have minus 180, and instead of A2, we'll have just 180. And that should work for us. So we need to have the parentheses around these two. That's one set, the green ones. And then we have to have a big one around here. So that should work. And then we need to go to sleep. After you turn, we're going to wait one and see if this works. All right. Now, let's see if this works. So the way you do it, we go back up here and we click this arrow, which executes that cell. Now we're going to execute this cell. And if everything's fine, you won't see anything. And we'll come here. Now let's try and see what happens. Okay, it's going forward. At least we know that part's right. Now I'll move my hand up. And that stops it. You notice the blink goes backwards. It's turning around. Now it's going back forward again. So this looks to me like it's working. And we could put it down on the floor and check it out better. Now to stop, we push the square. And it gives an error, and then you have to click the stop up here. We'll take care of that later. Anyway, see if you can get here. End of video 4.